The amount of walkthroughs that have been sent over, I think with about 30 in the 30 days that we worked together, that breaks down to about a lead a day. And we actually closed on one of the biggest walkthroughs actually within the 30 days.
Yep.
It's
Yep.
simple. It's like it's foolproof. So how I did it is seamless. You make it so easy. After that, later on, she emailed me saying, if you're able to, meet us at our budget, then we could, pick you over these other companies and you have the job. So I was able to do that and we closed the deal.
All right. So we have Dorian Parker here. Want to have you introduce yourself and your company and what you do?
Yeah, so my name is Dorian Parker and the name of my company is Fresh as Air Cleaning Service. We've been in business for about 2.5 years now. Say going on 3 years almost. We're a janitorial company and we are trying to expand and do more things like provide more services, like just stripping and waxing and other things like that, window cleaning. But our specialty is janitorial, and we're based
Awesome.
out of Southfield, Michigan.
And we've been working together for just about 30 days now. We went live with campaigns after 12 days of getting started. So we've been sending for about 20 something days. So
Yeah.
walk us through the results in terms of leads, the quality of leads, the amount of walkthroughs booked, and percentage of leads to walk through, and then close deals.
Okay. So the amount of walkthroughs that have been sent over, I think with about 30 in the 30 days that we worked together. So I would say that breaks down to about a lead a day.
Yeah.
And the amount of leads, that majority of them, well, a lot of them were sent outside of I guess, the location that we wanted to work in. But the other ones that we did actually get walkthroughs in, those were closer to where we wanted to be at.
Mm.
And in the 30 days, it was about we booked about 10 walkthroughs and we actually closed on one of the biggest walkthroughs actually within the 30 days. And it was a great experience. And I will work with Spencer for sure.
Yeah, no, I gotcha. So, I guess walk me through the quality of leads. I understand that the location was off. Maybe it was a couple miles out of your service area. We both know that those don't count as quality leads. That doesn't go against the guarantee or anything like that. So, yes, they were sent over. We're improving on that. We're always trying to improve that. That's the biggest project before the year end. But the biggest thing around like the ones that are good leads or that were good leads, walk me through like the lead handoff process, the intent, and the percentage
Okay.
of good leads into walkthroughs.
Okay. Okay. So out of those leads you sent over, about 10 of them were quality leads. We did book walkthroughs of every one of them. Like I said, I actually went to every single one of them. The handoff was just, it was seamless actually. So you send over the emails and I, tell them when is a good day to book with them, or they ask. And I actually talked to some people on the phone too
Hmm.
and booked walkthroughs that way because I didn't email all of them back. I actually called and we booked walkthroughs and they asked me questions and things about that. And all of them were quality leads. We didn't close on all of them, but the one that we actually wanted, we actually closed on the one we actually wanted for sure. So
That's
yeah,
good.
it was
You got a couple more
great.
in pipeline as well, right?
Yeah, yep,
Okay,
yep.
cool. Yeah,
Got
we're
about
just 30
four.
days
I
in.
think about four more. Have about
Yep.
four more left. So, and we actually have a upcoming walkthrough too. So, yeah, on
There
the
you go.
16th, I think, of this month or the 11th. It's one of these days in the calendar. I'm not sure, but yep,
Yep.
one more walkthrough.
Sweet. Tell me about that closed deal. How'd that go?
So the close deal, it was amazing. So walked in there and the people were just pleasant. Like the people, I'm a people person too, so I like talking to people, and that's why I like the service based business because I'm able to actually be personable and just get to know people, and know what they're
Hmm.
about. So, but the one that you did send over that we closed on, they did have multiple clients. I mean, not multiple clients, but potential, people that they would work with. But
Cleaning companies that
after,
are reaching
I
out
guess,
to them, or they
yeah,
clicked
yeah,
on an ad of these cleaning companies. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. But I guess when I came in there, did the walkthrough and everything, and it's actually a healthcare facility. It's a dual type of facility. So it's a healthcare, and it has like administration offices in it. So,
Mm.
but it's pretty big. It's pretty a big facility. And so I did the walkthrough, and after that, it was just seamless. Like sent over the email, sent over the quote, and actually the lady reached back out to me and said she has the multiple janitorial companies coming out and checking out the place. And after that, later on, she emailed me saying, if you're able to, meet us at our budget, then we could, pick you over these other companies and you have the job. So I was able to do that and we closed the deal.
There you go. That's awesome. Was the when you got in touch with that person and it eventually closed into a deal, was it from you calling them from the phone number we provided, or did you email them once we
It
CC'd
was
you
the
on the lead
email.
and pass it over through
Yep.
email?
It was the
Okay,
email. And I just asked for the best day or the best day and time that would work for them. And she told me, and that's how we booked the walkthrough.
perfect.
It was just simple, like, because you provide all the stuff. So it's like, it's up to me to get the
Hmm.
job done. So it's like,
Yep.
it's
Yep.
simple. It's like it's foolproof. So anybody could do what you like. How I did it is seamless. You make it so easy.
I appreciate that. Yeah, the biggest thing, and you're really good at this, is speed to lead. You're always in there right away, and you're
Yeah,
relentless. So that's how you win with this. Is really anything marketing, whether it's ads, if it's email, if it's cold calling, or not cold calling, but anything like marketing wise, other than cold calling. Speed to lead is absolutely critical, and you did a really good job,
right.
or you have been doing a great
Yep,
job.
for sure.
So last thing really is walk me through if someone's watching this and they're in the shoes that you were before we started working together 30 days ago. Tell me or tell the viewer any advice that you would say or some feedback that would be important to note if you were 30 days before we started working together trying to evaluate if this is a good service to work with and if it works.
Any of some advice I would tell someone is don't be afraid. Don't be afraid of the price. Don't, because I know even I was skeptical at first, like, oh man, I don't know if I want to pay this, but I'm like, you know what? Let me just give it a try because what can hurt? And then it's a money back guarantee if it's not quality leads you get. So I would say just go ahead and go forward with it if you have the funds. You know what I'm saying? So and
Mhm.
just be diligent and when he's saying leads because he's gonna deliver. He's gonna deliver the leads for sure. He's gonna deliver. I don't know how many leads he's gonna deliver, but he for sure delivered over 30 in a month, and I was not expecting that. So the
Yep.
advice I would give to somebody with his services, I would say just be diligent and actually follow up with the leads that he is going to give you because he's going to give you leads, quality leads, all type of leads. So if I was the person that didn't mind driving, like, or growing, we had multiple, like 10 employees or something, I for sure would have had booked way more leads. You know what I'm saying? So
Hmm.
that's the advice I would give. So if you're a small business where it's just you working, you could for sure give Spencer a try. And if you're even a larger janitorial company or any type of service based business, I believe Spencer can provide you with great services.
You're the man. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. We'll end here.
Yeah, for sure.